Rebecca is going to show you what we purchased from the grade 3 a-beka kit. We don't buy the readers anymore because, for one, we already have all the 3rd grade readers. For 2, the kids just go through them so quick. I don't see paying that much for the readers, but we do still use the workbooks, most of the workbooks. So go ahead and start on top. The reason the test books are on top is because we actually pull the test books out and we put them in a separate filing cabinet during the school year. So they're all separate, and then they keep the actual textbooks and the consumable workbooks that are not the test books in their crates. What's that one?
Language tests 3.
Nope, language 3 tests. You don't have to open it. So this is the first time we've had a child not in letters and sounds. You will not be doing letters and sounds anymore. You will only be doing language. What's on the front of your language book?
A monkey.
A monkey. Alright, what's the next one?
Arithmetic 3.
Arithmetic 3.
Tests and speeches. Wow, this is bigger.
What's on the front of that one?
3 parrots.
Those aren't parrots. What are they? Toucans.
I do not know what those are.
You've seen toucans before. Alright, go ahead and put that one down. What's next?
Health, safeties, and manners. Quizzes, tests, and worksheets.
This is new for you. 3rd grade, you have a quiz, test, and worksheet book to go along with your health book. And you go through it as you go through your health book. Go ahead.
Exploring God's Word.
That one's also a quizzes, test, and worksheets. So the same thing. You'll have test books this year for the first time.
Hey, you can see the feathers on the back.
That's cool.
That's a scarlet macaw.
Yes, it is.
Our American heritage.
Yep. That one is just for quizzes and tests.
And
Now look at the next book.
This is for worksheets?
Yep. That's going to be for learning how to use maps and for special worksheets. Now you can open the rest of it.
Hey, there's an alligator on this.
Yep. That is your actual workbook. So you don't have 2 books anymore, you just have 1.
Look, the alligator has a banana peel on it.
I wonder who could have done that.
The monkey.
That's so silly.
Spelling and poetry is this small?
Yep,
It's so tiny.
it is so tiny.
Whoa. Ooh. Funny back.
Mm-hmm.
Arithmetic 3. Work text.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is. Ooh. Aw. That girl's planting a garden.
Yep.
Ooh. Eating bananas are healthy?
Mm-hmm. Oh, looks like a corner bent on that one. That's okay though.
Exploring God's World.
Yep.
My history book sure is bigger.
It is bigger. What do you see on the front of your history book?
George Washington?
Nope.
Lincoln?
That is Lincoln.
George Washington?
Yes, it is.
That looks like... It looks like one of the statues on the monument. The statue monument.
We'll see. So, which one do you think is going to be your favorite subject? History? What are you most excited about this year?
Science experiments.
Science experiments. So what do you think? You think third grade's going to be fun?
Yeah.
Do you like all your new books?
Yeah.
What do you tell everybody for watching?
Thank you for watching.